Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, Learning Forex with Culture is P Money. Please, if you are new to this YouTube channel, please kindly hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, and the notification bell icon. So when next I drop a video, you'll be notified on the as soon as I drop the video. As some of the trades I'll be dropping here are going to be live call trade, like trade that are going to play at more eminently. Yeah. So that is for that. Um, this is a new YouTube channel. Basically, this channel is going to be for chart work analysis on the forex markets. Later on, we can diversify into crypto markets and the likes. So for now, we stick into only the forex market, the forex space, and I trade majorly the majors. But as time goes on, maybe if you want me to do analysis on certain pairs in the market, if you like the way I trade, I can actually look into that. So that is for that. Please let's dive into the charts. I'll be starting from Euro USD. This is Euro USD. I'll be starting from Euro USD, and this is the weekly time frame. Sorry, let me make my chart. Sorry about that. I want to make my chart. Okay, I need my screen to be very clear and let's be visible. This is Euro USD, and for what we'll be seeing for Euro USD from the weekly time frame, Euro USD have been kind of bearish. It has been bearish all the day long, uh, and it has these are our major zones. These are our major zones in the market. Uh, and we see currently now Euro USD has broken below this our zone here. It has broken below it, kind of give a retest and is about to drop. Well, some of us who missed the entry here, you can see I draw a line here. So at the break of this one, tap it came to hit. There's a supply region around there. When we go over to the lower time frame, I'm going to show you the supply region over there. So the market then dropped down, came to make a retest to the supports, which are our support now turning into resistance, and the market is about dropping down. Now, for us to make ourselves, like for us to benefit from this trade, we then scale over to lower time frame to pick our entries. Let's move over to the daily time frame and see what the market is doing. Okay, daily time frame. We still don't really have this is the drop. This is the support I was talking about at the higher time frame. So the market came, did a drop from the supply region, came down, came just make a minor test, came for a major pullback, and then it's about dropping now. So for we to position ourselves into this Euro USD trade, let's move over to the 4 hour time frame and see if there are possible opportunities for us to jump into this downward move of Euro USD. So the 4 hour time frame is quite visible and there are much opportunity for us to jump into the market for the Euro USD. As you can see, the market has retest our major zone right here. That's come down and there's a mini support, there's a mini zone here, right about here. So the market has fire up, came down, kind of, but I'm not too clear with this retest. I'm not too clear with this retest. What we'll be anticipating for Euro USD, what we are anticipating is that we'll wait for the market. If the market can give us another pullback right about here, if the market can give us a pullback, maybe just come and give us maybe some fake cards, some fake card right about here, just testing this purple bar. This is our mini purple bar here. We'll look for entry, we'll look for an entry for dragging it down to the SAT. Our first level target is going to be actually this should be our first level target. This should be our first level target. Then from there we'll take it down to this um to 1.00864. So that is what we'll be anticipating for Euro USD at the moment. But however, if Euro USD should go above this purple zone, um I will sit on my hands and wait and let's see what the market is willing to do. If it's ready to move, or if it should break above, then we'll strategize and we will do our analysis over again for you. That's for Euro USD, guys. So please let's move over to let's see which other one we're willing to take. Let's see which other one we're willing to take. Move over to next pair. Move over to next pair. Let's move over to okay. Let's just go with USD US 30. Oh wow, wow, wow. US 30 has been doing has been trending. So move over to the weekly time frame. Let's do our top down analysis. Move over to the weekly time frame. We see like it's quite visible that US 30 has been bullish all long. Has been bullish, like the bullish just seem just like the way gold is bullish. So US 30 has been bullish. Um so just look at it, it's now forming a double top. Let's following structure. Let's see what it's doing. Um following structure, the pull, then up, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. Sorry guys, higher high. This is technically should I say okay, this just like a same low, same low. The market then fire up to the side, equal low, equal high rather. This is now for me an equal high, equal high, equal high. That's to say that the trend as is now facing some kind of the trend is not really, it's not really that flowing. We need to be more conscious about what is happening in the market. The market might just decide to drop further for lower low, then maybe a lower high, stuff like that, and decide to change trend to downward side. Technically, this is now a double top, and the chart patterns, double top, reversal chart patterns. So that being said, we now know what the market is doing now. The market technically has now formed a double top at the weekly time frame, which is also visible on our daily time frame right about here. Let me broaden my screen. Yeah, right about here. So that is for that. So we want to take advantage of this what US 30 is doing. We're not just going to sit on our hands and I think the market is making some rejections right about this zone right here. So for that, we'll move over to our 4 hours candle quickly. I don't want this video to be too long, yes, I'm just trying to cut short of it. Um, my zones are already drawn properly, already drawn my zones. So what we'll be looking at for US 30, this is actually a say entry right about here because the market broke about the zone retest. Well, I'm not too comfortable with this week of this candle closing like this. I'm not too comfortable. I actually saw this one, hence I did pick the trade. So what will happen? We'll then wait for the market to come right about here. Probably just break above this zone, this mini zone here, and just give some candles like a fake out. A fake out, then it will give us a sell candlestick formation. Though the market has attacked this place, it has attacked from the other side, the left. Then this should be the second attack. This is the third one. So this one is market is showing a strong resistance, pulling to the downward side. And over here at the right move of a US 30 leg, we are now seeing another double top forming, just like a triple top on the daily time frame. So forming over here like this. Uh, it's a clear set direction, like the market is giving a clear set direction. So to take advantage of this move right about here, we'll wait patiently for the market to just pull back a little, just give us some fake outs right about here, and we'll then wait for our entry. We'll look for our entry. If it's not giving us the sell entry, we're not going to take it. If it should come up to this side, if he gave us the sell entry, we're going to confirm it before selling the trade. I want to draw my CTL. I want to draw my CTL. Okay, is my CTL. It has not really broken it actually. It's not really good. But drawing my CTL, don't guys don't be too quick to draw your CTL. Don't be too quick. I'm not just comfortable with what the market is doing right about here. I'm not comfortable. So hence I'm going to wait and let's see. I feel like the market is still going to give some pullback all the way to the upside, maybe 44.66, 5.26 before dropping down also. So let's an eye on US 30. So on that note, that's what we have for US 30. Let's move over to another chart. What we have. Okay, let's move over to should we go back to USD CHF. Okay, let me go over to GBP JPY first. And let's move over to GBP JPY first going further. Before going further, this for our GBP JPY trade. Uh, Move over to the weekly time frame. You see, US USD JPY has been super bullish all the way around. But however, the market has now run into a major zone right about here, and it is not really willing to go further, but it's still on the bullish trend. You see the trend line coming. It's currently sitting on the trend line. So what our bias is going to be for GBP JPY? We'll move over to the daily time frame and see on a daily time frame. Let's see what the market has for us. Okay, now the market has now broken our major on the daily time frame, broken down to 187.046. Then the market went up to retest our mini resistance right here before dropping down further. So what we're expecting, well, we should be expecting. To me, I feel like this market is still going to sell down, but before selling, this is a major zone. The market needs to break down, give a proper pullback before going down to the south if it's really to go to the south. But however, let's move over to the 4 hour time frame and see what the market is really doing, because obviously we want to take your trade from the lower time frame. So right about here, you see what the market is doing. The market has broken down and it doesn't look like it's about falling. But we can still anticipate a pullback right about if the market can give us a pullback right about here, or something even most conveniently for us if it's coming to this purple bar, this mini zone here, give us a sell confirmation, then we then take it down to the south. First level target, being that there's a zone here, we are going to take this zone as our first level target before any other one. This might not be our second target, then this green line right about here. We then want to look left to see um, for major support that might just want to uh, push the market to the upside to be okay. Yeah, it's the green line. We then take the green line right about here for our um, a third the 30p. So that is for that for GBP JPY. We are still on the sell for GBP JPY, so we just want to wait for the pullback. And if that pullback did happen, we will want to analyze again, maybe taking our entry right about here, drawing this middle zone, and wait for the pullback or the retest. So that's what we are going to do for GBP U. That's what we are going to do for GBP JPY. GBPJPY. So that is for that for GBPJPY. Let's move over to other GBPJPY. Let's move over to okay. Let me then come over to CHF quickly. Our time is running out, guys. So for GBP, for USD CHF rather, currently the market has been super bullish, super bullish. It's actually wrong for us to just going against the trend. The market has been super bullish, but we are currently sitting on. If we move over to the weekly time frame, you know that there's a mini like the market. What the market did, it came down, hit, break past it, went up, attack, break down, attack, down, down, down. You see, for a couple of like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 good consecutive times the market have been trying to break this particular resistance over here. Is failing to break above it. So that shows that the market might just want to just go over to the but we'll pay attention to it. Currently there's a mini trend in conjunction with our major trend coming from the upside direction. This is the mini trend in conjunction with this major trend coming from the upside direction. Then we then want to wait and see. The market has already attacked our zone here, came down. I then see draw a minor support right about here to see what the market USD CHF is going to do next. So move over to the daily time frame. That's form a double top right about here. Um, is the resistance is still giving the resistance. So what we want to do, for us to take any trade, for me to take any trade on USD CHF, I want to wait for the markets to either give us a pull, like a break like this. If the market should break, I'll wait for a retest right about here. Then I'll go for a sell entry. A sell entry. First level target is going to be our 100% retracement level before taking it down to the major level here. So that is for the sell. The sell. That's for the sell analysis. That's for the sell buyer. So, but for our buy, if I'm going to buy USD CHF, I will want to wait for USD CHF to break above this zone right about here, probably attack the trend line, then maybe pull back. Then if the market is going to give us a confirmatory buy, well, this our confirmatory buy is not going to be we're not going to hold it for long. Let's wait for the break of this major trend line that is coming all the way from the up. We can just target the trend line or probably here 100% retracement. If the market should break above fully, you wait for something like this, a pullback. Maybe just I'll just fake out and touch the this thing. We look for confirmation for buy, take it off to the north. So that is for that for USD CHF. So that is for that for so it's a two-way bias for USD CHF as the market is looking confused at this moment. So to move over to the next pair, guys, this might just probably be the last pair for the night. What? Okay, we've not even done for USD, AUD USD, and we've not even done for GBP USD. I think those I should just do those ones quickly. Then we'll just wrap it up. So currently for GBP for AUD USD rather the Aussie dollar. For AUD USD has been super bearish all day long, has been bearish from the higher time frames. Then having that in mind, here's a trend line, here's a mini trend line coming all the way from the upside direction down here. And it then shows that AUD is still fighting, like he's contemplating on where he will. But for me, I'm not really comfortable with what AUD is in over here. I still think it might just fire all the way up to the side before selling. But if that don't happen, because there's a mini zoom at the 4 hour time from here, I drew here. So let me take off this line. Take this off too. I draw this. I don't like my chart to be too messy. So that's for that. Let's see what AUD is about doing. If AUD should break above this zone, make a pullback, we can take for an entry for a short buy to this side. That's for AUD. But if AUD should break below this zone, maybe just come out, attack the trend line and just give a set confirmation down. We can then decide to mix AUD to 1.6172 right about here, this green line right about there. So that is my bias for AUD. I'll wait for it to give me a clear move first before taking any decision on AUD. So we quickly run over to we've now analyzed gold and GBPUSD. Let's move over to GBPUSD quickly. GBPUSD almost same thing with our EURUSD trade, but I think GBPUSD is quite okay. I'll just wait for the pullback. Wait for the pullback right about here. Okay, the market has broken below. Let's take this shit out. Don't like the shot to So still on itself, still on itself, still on itself, still on itself, still on itself for GBP USD. So I want to wait for the market to do something like this. Um, just make a pull. It has broken our mini zone right about here. So I want it to really fall down a little. Then it might just decide to pull back. Let's give a pullback. If the market give us an entry right about here, we'll take a sell. We'll take the sell from here down. Our first level target is going to be at the 100% retracement before going further to maybe 1.22481, then taking it down to the south. Or if that didn't happen, the market might just decide to pull right somewhere around here just to give us some fake outs. So depending on the kind of confirmation you give us, but I'm all on a sell for GBP USD. So wait majorly for the pullback to see how the market is going to react at the zone when the pullback has happened. So that is for that for GBP USD. Let's guys, my our time is fast spent. We want to rush over to okay. Should I just okay one more last one, one more last one. Gold, gold. So for gold, gold has been super bullish, super bullish. If you want to be trading gold now, you should be looking for a buy. You should be looking for a buy. So buyers we had for gold, even on the weekly time frame, monthly time frame, you can see just more like a linear chart pattern, super bullish. Weekly, same thing, super bullish. In fact, the momentum of the way gold is moving is actually a very on it's on a high pace. It's on a high pace. So so what we're anticipating for gold now, I will be more comfortable if gold is really to give maybe something a pullback like this right about here or somewhere right about here. Then before heading up, if you wish, if he really wants to head up. So I'll be anticipating something like this for gold. I'll be anticipating something like this for gold. So still on the buy, we are more bullish than bearish on gold. So that is for that for gold. I'll be waiting for major pullbacks. Let's see. So that's for that. So guys, I should have just oh okay, let's just end it here because of our time. I don't want the video to be too long. So guys, we have come to the end of today's analysis on the forex market. Please, if you find this video resourceful, please kindly hit the subscribe button, hit the like button and the notification bell again. So when next I drop another video, you'll be notified as soon as I drop the video. Thank you guys. Stay blessed.